This is Peter Rudder from VFE Pedals, and I'm making this video to ask for your help. This January, I will be teaching a month-long workshop course called Musicians and Makers United, in which I will teach about 24 high school students how to use musical equipment to create sounds and make music. I want students to be able to learn about and play with a wide range of equipment, from guitar pedals, like the ones I make, to vocal processors and drum machines and preamps, so that these aspiring musicians will have even more creative tools to use in their music. I will also teach them how to build some of this equipment from kits, including VFE pedals, which they will be able to make and take home after the class is over. My request is to any gear nerd, performing artist, manufacturer, or DIYer, or even musical equipment retailers, especially those who will be in the Seattle-Tacoma area during the month of January. Here's what I need. I need a lot of equipment to borrow for students to play with in the month of January. I'm going to bring in all of my equipment to share with them, but I would like a wider range of tools than just the ones I have for them to play with. I need artists who can bring in their gear into the classroom here in Tacoma and show us how they use it. What's their process? What kind of, get nerd out about the settings and kind of the things that they do in their approach. And then let the students experiment and ask their questions. I need female artists in particular to speak about their journey learning how to use this equipment in an industry that's just dominated by and focused on male customers. And I need local and online retailers to share their resources for how my students can continue to learn about and buy musical equipment after my course is over as they continue on in their journey. And I'm hoping to plan a couple of field trips to local Seattle, Tacoma, Olympia retailers during the month of January. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this. Please, if you're one of those people and can meet one of those needs, please email me at peter@v-of-e.design, which you should see below. Thank you.